So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make your comments. Guys, also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc is going to be giving us for the day. Now let's start with the trend right here, guys. This is our trend on USD Swiss franc, and you can see that our trend says that we are in a downtrend move. We are what? Trending to the downside. As you can see, market is giving us a series of lower low and a lower high. That is what market has been doing. Market has been giving us a series of lower low and a lower high. That is what market has been doing. That is the about trend. Now take a look at this previous movement right here, guys. Previous trend was an uptrend move until market eventually dropped and reversed. It is now dropping right. It is now dropping right here. So this is just the low. This is our first low. We will see this as our first low. Here is the lower high. So market is currently playing a lower high right here. This is a lower high that is currently playing. Once the lower high plays out finish, guys, have it in mind that market will eventually drop to form a new lower low. So guys, this is just a lower high that is currently playing. Once the lower high plays out finish, look for your sell setup that will eventually make market to drop to form a new lower low, thereby taking out this low. So above all, a bearish move for the day is what we should be expecting on our USD Swiss franc. Could there be changes to this prediction? There's a possibility that there will be changes, right? So that is why you need to always make sure your prediction or your bias should be always be flexible, just in case if there's any changes or there's any prediction, there is if our bias change, I'll make sure I did the updates and let you guys know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So subscribe in order for you to miss out on any updates.